Alright, so we began our 4-day trip with a lovely 8-hour drive from Pampanga to Ifugao. Our whole trip was organized by Bahagari Tours. You'll definitely want to book with them after seeing how much we got to do in such a short amount of time. I'll link their information in the description below. After the long drive, we started the half-mile trek down to the Batad rice terraces. It was a pretty easy hike. The terrain can be slick if it's been raining, but the decline wasn't bad at all. Most of it occurs at the staircase down to the homesteads. Okay, we have arrived. Very bare bones. This is called the Hillside Inn, and this is the room. Like I said, bare bones. Wait until you see the view. Right now we are waiting to eat. Food is getting cooked. We are gonna do some hiking after this. Here's some footage of my very first time flying my drone. These are the Batad rice terraces, which were hand carved by the Ifugao people around 2,000 years ago. The hike down to Tappiya Falls is about 2.5 miles long and 800 feet of elevation gain. I agree with the moderate rating on all trails due to the technical aspects of the partially paved walkways. We're on the way back, about halfway, but we didn't go all the way because something happened.
Hi, I'm Belle.
I'm Len.
We saw a rock falling down, so we didn't pursue going to the falls because it's dangerous, and of course safety is our most priority.
So we were just sitting down, taking a break because we're tired. But next time, right? You guys are gonna help me next time. Yeah.
This serves as a practice.
Yeah, practice. Just a sample.
It's a warm-up, yeah, and at least you know what to expect going
Exactly.
down.
Good. How many pounds?
At may kilos ano na?
Or kilos?
40.
40 kilos. What's your name?
Marsan.
Belle, tell us your story.
Well, when I was a kid, I used to walk here. I wake up at 5 a.m. We go to the spring. We fetch water there, carrying 4 gallons with the weight of 3 kilos each gallons, and then we bring it in our house. And after class again, that's my daily routine in fetching our drinking water.
And while waiting for our dinner to get cooked, I decided to get a quick workout in. Here I'm having some fried chicken, adobo, and curry, which was the best way to end a day of travel and hiking. And I'm here with Joe. Joe.
I'm Jackie.
She's been cooking all the good food that we've been eating. Where are we going next? Here's our tour guides. Lem.
I'm Lemley.
I'm Jerry.
Thank you guys again for all the help
Yes.
and cooking.
Come back again.
Hillside Inn. These guys are very good. We're gonna start trekking back. I'll see you guys in the next clip. So after we left the Batad rice terraces, we took a quick visit to the Banaue rice terraces, which used to be the major tourist destination, but I believe are no longer widely maintained and used. After that, we started our 5-hour drive to the Buscalan village in Kalinga. Alright, thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and share this with somebody who you think might enjoy this too. I'll see you in part 3.